Hey everybody, it's Nick with Connect English, and I want to give you a quick Connect in a Minute lesson about adverbs. Today we're talking about the adverbs hard and hardly, which seem very similar, but in fact are pretty different. So, she is working hard means she is working so much. She is probably sweating. She is a hard worker. She is hardly working, though, is very different because hardly means not much. So if she is hardly working, maybe she's being a little lazy and she's relaxing. So she is hardly working means not much. Down here we see it is raining hard. That means it is raining so much outside. My hair is wet. It's crazy. Then it is hardly raining means not much. That means it's a light rain, a few drops, but not much, not bad. So again, hard means so much, very strong. Hardly means not much. Be careful with these, they're pretty important.